Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to science class with teacher Yani. In this very nice occasion, we are going to make a windmill. Are you ready? Now, you need a piece of paper of origami, a glue, scissor, pen, pencil or marker, a stick or a straw, a small rounded piece of origami paper, and the last one is one push pin. Okay, take a piece of origami and you need to draw a line diagonally from corner to a corner, and you also need to do it in another side. Draw a line from corner to corner, and after that, from the middle point, you can take around 2 centimeters and draw a small dot here on every single line. After that, you can start to it with your scissor. And stop to the point. And teacher Yani is ready with the cut origami. And after the glue stick and start to glue it, then you need to take from each corner and the last one, you can cover it with your small piece. Yeah, like this. And after that, you can take one push pin, try to make a hole, and you can take one straw or one stick that you have and stick it. After that, you can start to spin it with your hand or you can blow it. Okay, teacher Yani is blowing it. Okay, slowly. Finally, it works. Now, we are going to study science. Continue the next topic. So, get ready with your science book. You open your science book, page 5, and we will discuss the questions here. It is about moving energy. Okay, moving things. What causes things to move? Now, make a windmill by following your instructions. Turn the windmill with your hand, turn it slowly and then quickly. We have made a windmill. Then you can try to spin it slowly, then quickly. My windmill is working. Okay? Now discuss the question in 1A. 1A. In order for the windmill to turn, you can start to answer a movement which comes from your hand. Or you can answer, it needs wind which comes from your mouth. So both options are right. Okay, now 1B. How do you make one mill turn for a longer period of time than another? There are two options of answer, and you can choose one of them. I turn it stronger with my hand, or I blow it stronger with my mouth. Then you can choose one of them. And 1C. Explain your answer in B. Because stronger energy we give will affect stronger result. Okay, now number 2. Are you able to make the windmill turn without touching it? Yes, we are able to. Think of 4 solutions to complete the table below. On the next page, try out your ideas and see if they work. Okay, solution 1. Blowing it with our mouth. So things we need is a mouth. And the solution 2, on an electric fan and directing it to the windmill. So things we need are an electric fan and of course a socket. Now page 16. So placing it on the rooftop. Things need a stair because you need to go upstairs. And solution 4, bringing it and we run around. So things we need a large space to make you move freely. Okay, number 3. Choose 3 of your ideas and write them down in the table below. State the source for each idea. So Teacher Yani has picked 3 options. Ways to make a windmill spins by blowing. The source is the mouth. By turning on an electric fan. So the source of energy is electricity. And the last, placing it on the roof. And the source of energy is the wind. Then the conclusion is, what have you learned? To enable things to move, the things have to be given an energy. The place where energy comes from is called its source. Is it easy? Okay, now we will go to page 17 about energy. Number 1. To move around, you need energy. Where does the energy come? Energy comes from food or drink that we consume or that we eat. Number 2. Use the instruments listed below and follow the instruction to find the energy you need to climb a flight of stairs in your school. Measuring tape, weighing machine, or scale. Okay, Now, part A. Choose a flight of stairs and count the number of steps it has. Kamu bisa memperkirakan berapa langkah untuk bisa menuju ke suatu tempat. For example, 4A is in the third floor. So, from downstairs to the third floor, you need around 100 steps. B. Measure the height of one step. Nah, kira-kira tinggi dari satu anak tangga berapa? Let's predict around 5 centimeters. Okay, C. Measure your body mass. Yeah, and like around 35 kilogram. D. Calculate the energy needed to climb one step using the given below. So this is the formula if you want to know that about energy that you need to climb one step. So the formula is your body mass multiplied by the height of one step and divided by 10, and it is mentioned as joules. Ya, remember your body mass atau berat badan multiplied by the height of one step, tinggi dari satu anak tangga ataupun satu langkah, divided by 10. Oke, dan satuannya adalah joules. Oke, do your working here. From your answer in part A and in part B. Okay. Your body mass is 35 kilogram. So you write 35 here. Multiple by the height of one step. The height of one step is 5 centimeters. So you write 5 here. And divide it. 10 is coming from this number. Okay. So 35 multiplied by 5 is 75. Okay. 5 multiplied is 25. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 and plus 2 becomes 17. So the result is 175 divided by 10. So the last result is 17.5 joules. And you can write down here. So we need 17.5 joules to climb one step. Remember? One step. Okay, next page 18. E. Joule is the unit for measuring energy. How much energy do you need to climb the flight of stairs? Do your working here. Remember, you need 17.5 joule for only one step. But to go upstairs, you need around 100 steps. 100 steps. Yeah? Do you remember what in 1A? 1A, we predict it is around 100 steps. So, multiple 17.5 joule and 100 steps. The result is 1,750 joules. I need 1,750 joules to climb the flight of stairs. F. If a chocolate bar gives you 12,300 joules of energy, how many steps can you climb after eating it? Okay, remember, how many steps, berapa banyak langkah. Do your working here. So the chocolate bar gives you 12,300 joules. 12,300 joules divided by 1,450 joules. How do you know this? It is coming from answer in E. Okay, so 12,300 joules is divided by 1,750 joules. So Teacher Rani did the calculation here. 12,300 and 1,750, because there is 0 and 0, so Teacher Rani minus it. Between those numbers there is one same 0. So 1,230 divided by 175 is 7.20. So the answer is around 7. Okay, the last, what have you learned? You get energy from the food you eat. The more you move around, the more energy you need. Yeah, so this is the last conclusion. You get energy from the food you eat. The more you move around, the more energy you need. So that is the topic in science book page 18. And I hope it is easy for you and you understand about the discussion today. See you next meeting. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.